Morning guys, welcome back to my channel guys. So this is gonna be our first drop for the day. Let's see what's gonna happen here. First drop. We get a good bite on the first drop guys. That would be epic. Alright, we got him. We got him. First one of the day. Alright, there you go. First one of the day guys. That's gonna be the first bite of the day. That's gonna be the first one guys. First one of many. We lost 2 fish prior to this one, and that's gonna be our first one. There you go. Let's put that thing there. Huli ka ngayon. Loko ka. Huli ka. Ay, nakawala pa oh. Nakawala guys. Huli ka. Makawala ka pa ngayon. Ay, mali, wrong species. Wrong species guys. Redfish po, redfish. Wrong species ito. Got it. Yeah, that's right. That's right. We got another one guys. Second one. Woo, look at that. It's a beauty. How many inches then? 10 inches. 10. Uy, ay ito hindi na ito biro, pastor. Hindi na ito biro. Alam mo na yan, malaki yan. Guys, malaki yan guys. Yan guys oh. Yan. Yan guys oh. Yan oh. Hindi ka na makakawala ngayon. Agresibo yung, yan guys oh. Mga ano to guys, mga 12 ito. 13 guys, 13. 12 and a half. 12 and a half guys. 12 and a half. Yeah, I told you bro. Sabi ko sa inyo na ang mangrove nasa likod eh. Oh, malaki pa naman oh. Oh. Ah, hindi biro ah. Sabi ko sa inyo guys eh. Andiyan ang pigi, mangrove doon, redfish nandun. Karating lang namin dito ni Pastoron eh. Pero ayan guys, oh, nangingitim na oh. Nangingitim. Nangingitim na guys ha. Malaki. Malaki. Dambuhala. Wow. 15. 14 ini ha po. Uy, guys, nagalit na. Ayan o. Ayan guys, namumula na o. Namumula. Okay guys, here we go. Huli ka. Ayan guys, oh, malapit lang oh. Oh. Ayan guys oh. Ayan guys oh. First time ko nalunukan sa hook na to. Yan o. Sumatin natin ito. 12. 11 and a half. Guys, nag-marking tayo sa lalim guys. Pag ganyan nag-marking, ibig sabihin ay, dumaan po yung barko. Pastor, magabago yung ano. Magabago yung kagatan ng isda. Nasa likod sila ng pigi ha. Oh, sabi ko sa iyo, nasa likod ng pigi, pastor eh. Sabi ko, ang latab arde, ang sa likod ng latab ang ano, mangrove. Ayan oh. Oh. Guys, ibang species na naman oh. Speckled trout oh. Saan ka pa? Ito guys, masarap kinilaw guys. Speckled trout. Yan ang speckled trout. Oh, beauty. Let's measure this guy. This one could be 12. Ito sa ilalim. Sa ilalim ng bangka mismo. So, diyan ko ibabagsak siya. Ayan mo. Pag nag-marking ka sa ilalim, ibig sabihin nandiyan malaki. Pastor, sabi ko sa iyo, nandiyan sa ilalim talaga yung malalaki. Ay, iba? Sheephead? Ay, ito yung nag-marking, pastor. Ito pa yung nagmarking. Sheephead. I think, ano to? I think keeper to, Pastor. What you think? I think this one is keeper. Ay, Pastor. Ayan na naman, marking na naman. May malalaki sa ilalim, guys.
Okay.
Ay, papasok po.
Kapos?
Masok. Ay, kulang. 14 and a half, guys. 14 and a half. We'll get the bigger one, guys. Malay mo, hindi pala yung malalaki sa ilalim. Uy, malalaki nga ilalim, Pastor. Nasa ilalim yung malalaki. Nasa ilalim yung malalaki po. Ay! Shh. Wrong species, guys. Pero ito, keeper to. Nasa ilalim. Walang wrong species, guys. Hindi ito hinahanap natin. Pero we'll take it. Bigat pati. Guys, this one is a keeper. Maybe keeper siguro to. This one's keeper for sure. Let's see. Ay, 15 and a half po. 15 and a half, guys. We'll take it. Pare, lumayo tayo. Uy, grabe kumakatak yun ah. Yan na naman po, Pastor. Sheephead na naman. Oo, ang dami sheephead dyan sa ilalim pala. Sheephead na naman po. Baka malaki mangrove. Ah, sheephead nga talaga po. Grabe naman. Puro sheephead yung kanto niyan. Wow, guys. We found a whole school of sheephead, guys. Look at this guy. It's crazy. This one could be a keeper too. Okay, we'll take it. Oh, we'll take it. What you think? Third location, guys. Here we go. Third location. Guys, so as soon as you drop, boom, you got him. Mangrove ito. This time mangrove ito. Mangrove ito. Yeah. As soon as you drop that thing, watch. Look, 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 look. I told you, bro. Mangrove again. That's not a mangrove, guys. As soon as you drop, like count 1, 2, 3, boom. Guys, sabi ba double ang hinahanap? Dalawang yan, keeper yan, Pastor. 20 yan. Isang mangrove, isang trout. Saan ka pa?
Bakit trout yan na
Nagka-marking? I don't know. Oh,
naiwan?
opo, naiwan. Ay, ito mga 18 to. 19. Bitawan natin, guys. Woo! Kala ko double na naman eh. Pabagsak pa lang siya sa lubong na. Oh. Ay, redfish ito. Redfish ito. Itong galaw na to.
Makapramali ka na naman.
Redfish po. Yung galaw eh. Yung malikot eh. Ay, double nga po oh. Double, dalawang redfish pati. Guys, oh, double oh. Kaso wrong species. Ay, wala oh. Double sana. Double ka pa saan? Double!
Double ba?
Double nga, double, double! Guys, oh, the same size. Oh, guys, oh, pumili kayo, oh. Marami sinigang ito. Ano, may paksiw pa. Guys, ewan ko sa'yo, bahala ka dyan, oh. Basta yan, nangingitim na, oh. Oh, nag-itim na dyan, ah. Guys, oh, nangingitim na, oh. Oh, ano yan, Pastor?
Dilis again, dilis.
Oh, guys, we got mangrove. Woo! Flying mangrove, guys. Maybe like 10 inches.
Sila galing
Guys, nangingitim na. Ito pala sa medyo malayo pa sa rin ano. Yung mangrove kasi pag nandun sa batuhan. Yun oh. Yun oh. Oh, yung mangrove yan po, yung galaw ganyan, mangrove yan. Yeah. Pag ganyan galaw, mangrove. Pag yung redfish, nag-ikot-ikot, nag-langoy ng pabalik-baligtad, redfish yun. Ayun oh, double na naman oh. Double na naman po. Ay, double. Ay, pastor, double nga. Redfish saka ano, mangrove. Guys, oh, nakawala yung redfish. Good job. Guys, double. Yes, sir. Dalawa po. Ano yan, pastor? Dalawa na yan, guys. Oh, ayan. Lagyan mo ng tatlo dyan. Tatlo rin yan. Ayan na naman, guys. Oh, katatapon ko lang. Double mo nga. Sige nga, double mo. Yan na, double na nga, guys. Double. Basta double nga. Double. Ay, redfish po. Redfish. Double nga talaga, pastor. Mangrove tsaka redfish. Guys, oh, double oh. Walang hiya, guys. Oh. Sino? Tanggalin ka nga eh. Maganda sa hook na gamit ko. Pag plinit mo siya, pastor, matatanggal agad. Pag ginflip mo ba? Yung amo mo na, oh. Amo mo na. Ayan naman, guys, oh. Every drop. Every freaking drop, guys. Alright, here we go. Ayan, meron tayo. Dubuli mo. Uy! Uy! Uy, pastor. Malaki-laki ito. Ay, redfish po. Ay, malaking mangrove po. Malaking pula. Pula, guys, pula. Yan, guys. Yan ang size na hinahanap namin. Oh. Saga pa. Oh. Yun lang, nilamon mo. Huli ka rin? Uy, pastor dahil double. Double, guys. Oh, pili ka niya yun. Oh. Double ka na maliliit o isang malaki lang? Pumili ka, saan gusto mo? Nilunok talaga oh. Sukatan ito. Mga 12 ito. 12 nga. 12 inches guys oh. Ayan na. Yan ang hinahanap namin. Ayan, ito magandang size ito, pastor. Pastor, ito ang good size. Dalawa, pastor. Double. Finally, naka-double din. That's right. Yan ang hinahanap namin, guys. Ayan oh. Yan ang hinahanap namin. Guys, so this is Tagalog edition. Guys, yan ang huli natin, guys. Basta uwi na tayo?
Yeah, wala na. Tapos
30 minutes?
30 minutes.
6 how many?
65.
65 guys, 65. 30 minutes. And these are not little ones. Those are big ones, boys. Look at that. Woo! Let's go! Fish on! Woo!